Good morning, students. We have studied last time about the reproduction in organism. Since our lesson is not in our syllabus, so we are going to start today a new lesson, which is in our syllabus. That is human reproduction. So before we understood about what is the reproduction, the process by which organism produces their offsprings, which is similar to the parents and necessary for the continuity of the life of the species. So today we are studying about the human reproduction. Lesson 2, human reproduction. This is human reproduction. Human reproduction. You know that human beings are unisexuals. So one is male while other is female. So first we have to study about the human male reproductive system. Human male reproductive system, or simply about the male reproductive system. So this is human male reproductive system. So first one is in this lesson, human male reproductive system. Human male reproductive system. And in case of the human male reproductive system, it is consists of mainly three parts, or it is broadly it is consists of the three parts. Now number one is we have to study as human reproductive system consists of three parts. It is mainly consists of three parts. Number so consists of three parts. So number one is primary sex organ. Number one is primary sex organ, and this primary sex organ includes testis. Primary sex organ includes testis. The first one is the primary sex organ, it is testis. And second part, human male reproductive system consists of three parts. Number one is primary sex organ or testis. Now second one is secondary sex organ or accessory sex organs. Second one, secondary or accessory. And third one is external genitalia. External genitalia. Genitalia. Later we will discuss about primary sex organ, secondary or accessory sex organs, and external genitalia. So human reproductive system mainly consists of three parts. One is primary sex organ. Later we discuss in detail about primary sex organs. Second is secondary or accessory sex organ. About this we also discussed. And third one is external genitalia. We will also discuss about. So it consists of three parts. So later we discuss about these parts. So one diagram is given here. See the diagram. This is the front view of male reproductive system. This is front view of male reproductive system. This is diagram front view of male, front view of male reproductive system. Front view of male reproductive system. It is consists of, you see here, it is consists of the testis. Testis hangs outside the body, outside the abdominal cavity, and in testis sac are the scrotum. This is your body. Testis, and testis is internally it is consists of the testicular lobules, and testicular lobules producing the having the seminiferous tubules, and these seminiferous tubules producing the sperm, and these sperms from testicular tubules enters into red testis, and from the red testis into the vasa efferentia, and from the vasa efferentia it enters into the epididymis, and from the epididymis it comes into the vas deferens, and from the vas deferens it ultimately opens into the urethra via prostate gland, seminal vesicle, etc. etc. So this is about male reproductive system, and you see this is the urethra, and in case of urethra this is foreskin, and this is the glans penis. So we have to discuss in detail one by one. In detail we will discuss one by one. First we will discuss about the primary sex organs. So first we discuss about the testis. This diagram, more clear diagram given in our book. So you, when you study the diagram from your book about the text, we will discuss. First, we discuss about the testis, and then about other parts. Thank you. That's for today.